you guys would like to know, and what's the one question that's ringing in everybody's head? Superstar is fine. He's recovering very well. It's not that Ramachandra gave us fantastic treatment. Ramachandra gave us very good treatment. They treated Superstar very well. They made him all right. They made him fit to travel. Now we have traveled to Singapore for further treatment. He's recovered very well. He's showing very good progress. And in a week's time or 10 days' time, Superstar should be back in Chennai at the most. If it's going to take more time than that, that means we're on a vacation as a family. And we are indeed seriously planning for a vacation. Now I'll come to Filmfare. It's my honor to be here at this event, at this press meet. Filmfare is undoubtedly one of the most prestigious and respected awards of Indian cinema. So far, I've not won any. I've not won any Filmfare Awards so far. I've always witnessed people have presented Filmfare Awards, but never won. Anyway, it happens in such a way that every time I tend to miss Filmfare Awards. When I'm in Chennai, it happens in Hyderabad. When I'm in Hyderabad, it happens in Chennai. So this time, I reckon it's happening in Hyderabad. And yes, I am trying I will try my best to attend, and I'll make sure I'm there. Again, once again, I'm just would like to say it's my pleasure to be here. All the best.
Idea as a brand is always associated with champion ideas, and Idea Filmfare Awards celebrates champions of film industry. We are very, very happy to be associated with Idea Filmfare Awards South for the third consecutive time. Our 92 million customers would be able to access the content of the awards through our mobile platform.
தேசிய விருது வாங்கினதில் இதுவரைக்கும் எந்த விதமான ஒரு ரியாக்ஷனும் இல்லை எனக்கு. அண்ட் இன்னமும் இருக்க போகிறதில்ல. இப்போதைக்கு என்னுடைய கவனமும் என்னுடைய எண்ணமும் எல்லாம் சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் கூட மட்டும்தான் இருக்குது. இப்போது நல்லா குணமடைஞ்சிட்ருக்காரு. இன்னும் நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒரு வாரமோ 10 நாள் தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அதை என் மைண்டுக்கே எடுத்துகிட்டு போவேன், அந்த நேஷ்னல் அவார்டு வாங்கினாங்கிற விஷயத்த. அதுக்கு பிறகு தான் என்னால் இந்த கேள்விக்கு கரெக்டான பதில் சொல்ல முடியும். இப்போது எனக்கு ஐம் பிளாங்க்.